What's up, guys? This is the Brick Public back here again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your LEGO Clone Commanders once again. For the templates I'm going to be using, or just the clones I'm going to be upgrading, is the Clone Gunner and the 501st Jet Trooper. And yeah, we'll start off with the Gunner. So yeah. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the Gunner. All you're going to need from the Gunner are the legs. You can get rid of the rest. So you're going to want this Jonak Toys red trim waist cape. Going to add it on. You want this LEGO, I think, Commander Fox torso. Phase 1 Commander Fox. A Clone Army Customs helmet, a Clone Army Customs Bark 91st Hunter helmet. It's a long name. So you just need to add a head, add the helmet, and then a Jonak Toys, Clone Army Customs dark gray visor. Just add it on. And yeah, there's the first figure done. It looks pretty good. I have had this figure like this for a while, and I just like it. Like, if you have a bunch of 91st troopers, this would look really well with them. So yeah, let's get on with the Jet Trooper then. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the Jet Trooper. You want to take the legs, take the helmet and face. I don't know why I have this face for it. Helmet and face, get rid of the jetpack, and then get rid of the torso, but keep the blue arms. So you want to take your legs, get this Jonak Toys ARC Trooper waist cape, put it on, add the LEGO ARC Trooper torso, add the arms, add the Jonak Toys ARC Trooper, what's this called? Pauldron. ARC Trooper Pauldron. Add that on, and then add the head, and there you go. This is the ARC Trooper 5s. The only thing I would change about this figure is the helmet. I would really want to get a Clone Army Customs 5s helmet, but I don't have one, and it does look a little bit like 5s. So yeah. They're the two figures done. They look pretty decent together. So yeah. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed and liked the video. I'll be back with another video very shortly. And yeah, have a nice day, guys.